頑張れ。
本当はネットスーパーの商品を見られてないからなんだけどね。
Itong palakas baliw. Baliw! Umaambang. A day in my life. A day in my life. Umaambon, nasa labas kami. Hindi ko ba to? No, it's rainy day. We? Puti, halata na nga eh. Guys, umaambon. May kumanta kasi. Ako. Dali na, go! A day in my life. Yeah. Oh, one, two. Happy morning, guys! That's 9, 9. You stay away from her. It's not your time. Okay, one more thing. Go back to Hi. Hi. Sinibol! Ito, sinibol. Tara, tara! So, kumakain kami ng merienda. Bakit? Ito na at nalaw batang. Content! Wala akong magawa kaya manonood ako na
Guys, the next day I came back to the ant nest. 3 hours. How did these ants build an entire intricate nest? And not only were all these tunnel systems made, for remember that insects actually at the bottom of this food, plus it sinks to the ants found this too, and it looks like the whole colony has swarmed.
There was one cold that I cared for. I knew he would be there for me.
My little pony, my little pony. Guys, nanonood tayo ng Peppa Pig kasi umiiyak siya. Umiiyak siya! Gusto niyo manonood ng Peppa Pig? Ako lang ba yung babysitter na walang bayad?
So now it's time for a big race. And George is mentioning that
Uncle, pinasunan mo. Bakit hindi pinasunan? Bakit hindi sabihin next time action?
Di ba dapat i-report natin sa police?
Oh, pwede naman yan dito. Opo.
Bye. Good night. Thank you for watching.